Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working with Nadula hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous, super nice and glueless 5x5 HD lace closure unit in curly. And can you see this curl pattern? Like, stunning, so cute, super summer spring friendly. In today's video, I showed you guys how I did my quick and easy glueless install with this Nadula wig. So if you'd like to watch, keep on watching, and if you'd like to purchase this unit off rip, which I would highly recommend, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let's get into today's tutorial.
Oh, when it practice, put it in the song, alright. what it practice, put it in the song, alright. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it practice, put it in the song.
This is a finished look, and this gorgeous unit is from Nadula Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 20-inch 5x5 HD lace closure unit, and as you guys can see, we are literally perfectly melted. The hair is pretty much dry, so you're getting that volume, you're getting the natural cute curl pattern of this gorgeous wig. And honestly, Nadula never fails. Like, they always come through with good laces, good hair, and I definitely would highly recommend this unit. Hair is nice and soft, the wig super snug. I didn't even have to do anything but just adjust the bands in the back that come in the wig, and I'm literally good to go. So this is something I can take on and off whenever I feel like it, so it's 100% glueless. I don't have to worry about the commitment of glue and a lace wig. This is just definitely a throw on, throw off wig. perfect for vacation, perfect for hot weather, humid weather. We're coming up on spring, summer, so you definitely need a few curly pieces in your collection, and this is one of them. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and check those links in the description box. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babe.